Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at IP version 6. Specifically within IP version 6 we're going to be taking a look at troubleshooting IPv6. And this is IPv6 Troubleshooting Lab number 2. So in this lab, according to our network diagram, we have 3 routers, router 1, 2, and 3, and they are all a part of IPv6 EIGRP Autonomous System 1. We have a link between R1 and R2, which is using the IPv6 network of 2001.12.12.//64. Router 1 is the 1 IP address, and router 2 is the 2 IP address on this network. We also have a network, or a link between R1 and R3. This link is 2001.13.13.13//64. Router 1 is the 1 IP address, and router 3 is the 3 IP address on this network. And router 1 is using the Fast Ethernet 01 interface to connect to router 3's Fast Ethernet 00. We also have router 2 with a loopback 0 IPv6 address of 2001.222.2//64. And then we also have a loopback 0 on router 3 with the IPv6 address of 2001.333.3//64. So in this lab we're going to be taking a look at some issues that we have, or some problems that we have with the network, and we're going to be asked to solve these issues, and we're going to be given a couple of trouble tickets, which give us some of the problems that we are experiencing in the network. So let's go ahead and take a look at our trouble tickets. Again, this is IPv6 Troubleshooting Lab number 2. Our first trouble ticket says that your company is implementing an IPv6 EIGRP network design. One of your junior level technicians has come to you for help. He is having problems bringing up the EIGRP adjacency between R2 and R1. Configure the network so that R2 and R1 form an EIGRP neighbor adjacency. So again, it appears as though we have a neighbor adjacency issue between R1 and R2. And some of the things that we need to remember that carry over into troubleshooting EIGRP neighbor adjacencies from IPv4 is that we need to look for k-value mismatches. We need to also look at mismatched autonomous system numbers. We can also have problems with authentication. Again, EIGRP authentication is done under the interface. We can also have issues with access control lists, which may be denying multicast EIGRP traffic. And we can also have uncommon subnets and unidirectional links with EIGRP. So those are some of the common areas in which we have when troubleshooting EIGRP adjacency issues. So in IPv6, a lot of those same issues carry over, and what we're going to do is take a look on router 2 and router 1, verify layer 1 to 3 connectivity, and then we're going to go ahead, and if there isn't a problem between layer 1 and basic layer 3, then we'll look deeper into EIGRP, the routing protocol, and see if we can find out what the problem is. So the first thing we want to do is go to router 1 and get some basic, we want to verify basic connectivity issues between R1 and R2. So we want to do a show IPv6 interface Fast Ethernet 00. This is going to give us some good information